Hello, welcome back to Take the Bull. So, today we are going to look at a business concept which is a great consumer consumable product which are being used on a routine day-to-day lifestyle. There won't be anyone without using this particular product. You would have even used it on a daily basis. Probably you might be using it. It's not probably, it's definitely you have to use it. So, in order to maintain your cleanliness, so this particular product is finding a great phenomenal change in you know the revolutionary difference on making material and the products used to manufacture them. So it has a great probability for being a eco-friendly business option, and the activity which you are going to perform on this is just the repacking and reselling them with limited profit in order to gain the benefit out of the actual market. So if you are new to this channel, so before we get on to the details of the business, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button next to it so that you'll get all the regular video updates from the channel. So, brushes. Toothbrushes are actually a regular hygiene maintaining, usable, and consumable product, in fact, for every human being. So, on a daily basis, we tend to use them in order to maintain the cleanliness of our tooth. So this particular product is made out of bamboo and is completely a recyclable and biodegradable material. And the bristles are also made up of charcoal. Perhaps these are highly eco-friendly and are least, I would rather say, not even causing a single harm to the environment. It causes no harm almost to all the living being and the organisms in this particular world. So these toothbrushes are available at the wholesale cost. So you can procure them, you can buy them at the cheapest cost, at the least investment of 1000 rupees, and you can start this particular business. All you have to do is buy them and then repack them and then sell them. So there are customized packaging available with the buyer as well. I have given the details of the buyer in the below description box. You can access the link and get the details of the buyer where you can procure this particular product at the cheapest price. As I was already saying, the charcoal bristles. These bristles are highly helpful in order to maintain the hygiene level at a higher grade and to retain the cleanliness of your tooth. So your mouth would be cleared altogether from all the odors and the bacterial and deposits and various other germs present on the mouth. So these toothbrush are sold for almost up to 120 rupees, either single piece or two piece, depending on the website and the brand which they are embossed on this particular product. And these are available as cheap as possible for 15 rupees and anywhere between 12 to 15 rupees. And the customized packaging is what you have to do, and that has to be biodegradable, in fact, paper based or cardboard based packaging, which is highly preferred since we are moving towards an environmental friendly packaging. So blister packaging, this kind of packaging can also be done. So in order to retain the natural ability and natural resources, not to have plastics in use, we can go with these kind of normal carton box packaging. So those can be made and can be sold up to 75 rupees each. And if you look at the market price with an offer, it is being given for 75 each piece. So this product, as I was saying, can be procured from the below given description box link for 15 rupees 50 pies. Based on that, so a calculation is also made. So for each piece, if you target for a profit of 2 rupees for the reseller, and for packaging and supplying transportation 2 rupees, and for marketing, let's say 1 rupee, your altogether investment or the altogether expense for single toothbrush would be 2 rupees 50 paise. You can sell them up to 30 rupees, which is as least as compared to what it is currently in the market. So as you were seeing, it was up to sold up to 75 rupees each piece. So 30 rupees is almost like 40 to 50% lesser than what it is. So now you will get a profit of 9 rupees 50 paise, and the reseller, apart from, besides you are giving them 2 rupees of profit, so on top of that they can even take as much as profit they want, because the actual market value is 75, so they can sell them even for 60 rupees with 30 rupees of margin higher as well. So that depends on his liberty. And if we look deeper into this particular profit calculation using 9 rupees 50 paise tentatively for each brush, so taking that into account, if you look deeper, so every dozen would give you a profit of 114 rupees. And if you try to sell at a target of 15 packets every week to 10 shops at least, so that will give you 1000, like almost like 17,100 rupees. So 1,710 for each packet, and 17,100 if you supply them for 10 shops. So every week, if you do that, that's going to give you a profit of 68,400. You can deliver them with as least as possible, because in order to save the fuel expense, so that will be of great help for you. In fact, if you can reduce the actual cost incurred, any business can be performed only if there is proper return of investment. The ROI is calculated, which has a high proportionate to the actual expenses made in order to take the product to the consumer, end consumer, who has the buying potential. So I guess I've covered enough of information about this business concept. If at all you got anything to ask as a question which is not explained on the video, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll be pleased to help you on that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. So share it with your friends. That can be of great help for them. So if you think any particular business concept can be discussed in our channel, let me know that as well. So we'll explore that together. We'll see you soon with another interesting concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.